Kinda cold outside here. Maybe I should go inside. Oh, I forgot to lit the campfire. Oh well. Good. I'm glad that I have my Sonic. We can put it to campfire lighting. There we go. That's better. What the? Okay, well. People should not look inside my house. Maybe I should. I should tint them. Well. That's better. Oh, come on guys. Who replaced my window with sand? Oh. Well, then I need to burn it down. Sand melting, there we go. That's better. Okay, why the heck are the items flying up there? Well, I should get them down before they do any trouble. Hey, items, come down. Thank you. I think I can go to sleep now. It's weird. Did I sleep that long? Huh. Okay, well. Then I will quickly clear the campfire. And tint the windows. There we go. Oh, hi. Well, first of all we need to make a little bit light here. There we go. Well, what are you doing alone out here? Could you let me search? There we go, zombie healing. Well, that won't hurt. Maybe a little bit. There we go. Yeah, you're back. And now we need to get you out of there. Well, I can't break the fences, so we will work a little bit of my magic here. There we go. Hold still. Oh, I get the pick there. There you go. Oh, you should not. Oh, god damn it. Nope, stay here. Sorry, but you're free now. And yeah, with that, hello everybody and welcome back to another Tardis craft update video. And today you saw we have a working sonic screwdriver that has very much modes, like TNT Group Ignite. Well, let me get a little bit of TNT there and oops, I burned the house. Well, sorry for that. Oops. What you also can see is that we have the junk Tardis here, or I tried to make it look like the junk Tardis. And yeah, the Sonic also has a function that's named Tardis Demat. So let me change it. You can also freeze water, so if you want to freeze water, you can freeze it. You can also unfreeze it. And yeah, there's Tardis Demat. So let's see how the junk Tardis is dematerializing. There you see it's not blinking like the other ones. Oh, that's laggy. So it's making a kind of sphere and then takes off or disappears. You can also call it back by just simply looking at any entity in your surrounding. So like, there we go. And it should appear right here. There we go. And it's landed, hey! Oh yeah, it's cool. So let's get inside. And you can see that I changed the top part also with models. So now literally spinning. We have the size changer here, and also when I press exterior, we have exterior blue, and that's my very first own made tower, this exterior. Well, it's not looking that good, but I tried. Yeah, has a little bit of big windows there, but hey, it's not my last try. And yeah, I also added the Daleks, as you saw in the last video. And one cool thing, when I quickly do scoreboard player set Dalek time to 199. Hello Daleks. Can you shoot me? Kind of wanna try to. Okay, let's go into the Tardis, because when I now go to manual flight and take off here, I can truly like stomp the Dalek, so stomp. And you see, it's stomp. It's flat as, I don't know. You can literally stomp them. Stomp. Stomp. Just look at that. Stomp. Oh yeah. I don't know why it's not working for that one, because it works before, and then I added one texture. And now it's not working for the cake Daleks anymore, so I don't know why. But hey. Okay, then, yeah, let's land here. Because I also are going to edit Cyberman, and they are in the game, but not public right now, so I can do... wait, I need a command box for that. That's that one right here. So we have a Cyberman here. And I don't know why it's not changing the texture, because I literally changed the inner part of it not to lava anymore. But every time I reload the resource pack, it won't change. That's so weird. But hey, so you need to imagine the zombie will be invisible, and yeah, we can quickly do effect, give it a... Oh, you have a Cyberman wandering around here. Look at that. He's kind of flying. Oh. Okay, well, need to change that. You can also stop the Cyberman, so like, let me quickly... That, go into the Tardis, and go to manual flight. And there's the Cyberman, so when I stomp the Cyberman, he will also whoop, become flat. Oh, yeah, I shouldn't do that. God damn it, no, that was not a good idea. Let's see how it looks in the vortex. Oh yeah, kinda cool. Very nice. And also one cool feature, when you use the Sonic, so in first person you see it's not very good looking, but when you press F5 and now Sonic something, you can see you're holding it like out, and it's cool looking. One new thing is something very interesting for you, because summon Hammerhead with carrot on a stick. No, 29. Okay, 3 to 1. And we have the Dalek Emperor. An alpha version of it. It's not finished yet. but that's like a concept for him. What you thinking? Did I get him right or not? Or what should I change? Oh, he's flying a little bit. Okay, I need to change that later on. There will be the Dalek in here. And yeah. That's the Dalek Emperor. And also, like, when you defeated him, he will be like... Not that small, he will be bigger, but then this is empty in here. So yeah. Just imagine these things are smaller and wandering around the world. We're kinda like in War of the Worlds then. But hey. Okay, well, I need to show you how the Sonic is working. So, yeah. Let's go down here. So, all behind this wall here. So, first of all, I need to say I followed the tutorial for the Sonic, so starter commands are very basic symbols and the easiest ones are the same. So like it's executing if you have a score of Sonic 1, that's from using the Sonic screwdriver, and if you're holding it. So when this is the case, it will reset the scoreboard. And then we have this command here that's executing if your score has matched a specific thing, then it will play the sound. And I put a condensator behind it so that it's playing a little bit longer. Yeah, and then we have the one that's checking if you put it into your offhand. And what it does is it's putting up the score from a Sonic screwdriver from the mode, so that's you can see every command block has a score that it's checking for, and when the score is going up by 1, it will go to the next one, so to the next function. So like now we have a score of 18, and it's doing the ice thing, and when I put it in my offhand one time, you see it's going up by 1 to 19, and we have the water replaced with packed ice, so you can melt it. Other way around, I made it like when you hold it into your in your offhand, so like here, you can sneak one time, and when you sneak one time, it will teleport the not teleport, it will remove one from the score. So like sneak one time, and you're switching back. Yeah. So that's all what it does. And then we have two command blocks over here that's checking if it's below 0, what it should not be. Then it puts it back to 21. And we have if it's above 21, so 22, then it will set it back to 1. Yeah, that's pretty much everything. And then how is the Dalek stomping and Cyberman stomping working? Well, it's pretty much very easy. Let me check where I put it down here somewhere. Over here, you can't see anything, that's great. So these are all command blocks, these and these. So I'm executing at the Tardis. If an entity, take Cyberman, is in a distance of like 2 blocks. Then it's literally just replacing the custom model data, like what you saved in for the flat version on the head. And that's the same with the Daleks. That's pretty much all. So executing if an entity is near the TARDIS, like 2 blocks or something, and then replace the custom model data. Yep. You see, it's not that much new, but a little bit. And I think for the next one, for the next part, I try to get a visitor in here. And what the heck is over there? Interesting. And maybe or may build the corridors and a few rooms. So next episode will be a surprise. And with that, I say thank you for watching and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.